My friends, artificial intelligence has received a lot of backlash and controversy. So when you hear big dogs like Mick Jagger and the Rolling Stones, Keith Richards talk about it, you got to listen in to what these guys are saying. Very recently, there was an interview with Billboard, and they shared their perspectives as far as what AI is all about. Here's the question: artificial intelligence is the new technological innovation. What do you think about AI in music? Keith Richards says, my thoughts are I'd rather hear something original. Music could do a lot better than just trying to copy itself. After all, it's pretty simple stuff. This is not Beethoven or Bach, and I've no doubt AI can do that. But so what? We want new input. We don't want more and more copying and synthesizing. At least that's my point of view. Music is to play around with. Surely there's enough originality without having to copy nursery rhymes. Mick Jagger says, obviously, I don't want to be imitated by AI, vocally and instrumentally. And the band doesn't. I don't want people just putting stuff out there that can sound exactly like the Rolling Stones. I think that's obviously wrong. If someone wants to make music by AI, go ahead, but it has to be original. This is the key term, and I agree wholeheartedly with what Mick is saying. You can be original. You can bring your fresh melody, your fresh harmony, and your beats. You can even create a beat as simply as beating it on a table, right? But do let it be original. You have to have your own input and your own thoughts. This is what I was talking about, originality. Mick totally gets it. You see, he's not saying don't use AI. He's saying come original. Otherwise, the system is copying what it learned. You gotta bring something new. There are people who use AI to just make a song from scratch in the style of the Rolling Stones. If you were any kind of creative person, you wouldn't do that. And this is what we've been saying on the channel for the longest time. Stop trying to rip off existing work, trying to do covers and stuff. That's exactly what Mick is saying. Because AI doing the covers is not as much as you bringing your own original idea and lyrics. And that's what he's saying. I know many people do covers, and that's okay. But Mick has a point. And I would highly recommend taking everything that these guys have shared and thinking about it again and again. See, let's go back over here to another part in the interview where AI was mentioned. Let's go back to this question. Your In the Stars video used deepfake technology to show what looks like the Stones of yesteryear performing your 2026 single. What was that like to see? Mick Jagger says, we had a lot of fun with that. It's only the faces of the musicians that are different. They're not fake people in a fake room. They're all in a room, really playing together. The musicians are real musicians that look a bit like the Rolling Stones in 1968. The only thing was the faces, so they worked on mine first, and it kind of looks like me, but not really, like one of my children when they were 23 or something. And then I saw Ronnie, and I said to the people working on it, it looks more like Jeff Beck. So they had to do a bit of extra work, and Richard says, that's our brushing with AI. I said, very nice. I wish I looked like that now, but maybe that's what they're good for. Music videos. Put it in its proper place, and that's kind of a joke, obviously. But I'll put a link below. You go take a look at the full interview. There's stuff that the music heads would like, and there's stuff that you might find informative about the Rolling Stones if you're a fan of their music. And that's it as far as what Mick and Keith shared about artificial intelligence, take it with a pinch of salt, right? But do be smart. These folks have been around for a very long time, 8 decades. There's tons to learn from them. And I wholeheartedly agree. If you're going to use AI, you better come with your own inputs. Melodic, harmonic, lyrical. Come with as much as you can as the human. Thank you, my friends. If you're new to the channel, take a look around and don't forget to look at musicspiration.com, where I've got tons and tons of possibilities for prompt tools, and they're all free. But go to musicspiration.com. I've also got a virtual keyboard, I've got a virtual arranger keyboard, and I've got some other bespoke instruments virtual, as well as all the prompt apps. So check it out, musicspiration.com. Links below. Bye for now.